Dear parents, live your life. Please, don't compare yourselves with other parents. Everyone's journey is different. Do your best for yourself, for your children, and for your family. From time to time, pause, assess yourself, and make adjustments where necessary. Remember, growth is allowed as long as you're alive. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, people who help you become better, people who motivate you. Every week, do a little audit of your life and make a fresh commitment to be better than you were before. Be there for people. Show up when you can, but always remember, your family comes first. It's your place of primary assignment. Do everything you can to score an A in that assignment. And above all, depend on God. Practice total reliance on God. Depend on Him for everything that you need. Depend on Him for your strength. Depend on Him for your resources. And teach your children to do the same. Help them understand that every time they ask you for something, God is the provider, and you are just one of the channels that God uses to bless them. Finally, teach your children gratitude. Be grateful for what you have, and even for what you're still believing God for. You are doing better than you think. Cheers. Have a lovely week.